Hey, what's going on, guys? So we are doing today a '04 Dodge Dakota fuel pump and quit. So yes, instead of taking the tank because it's full of fuel, and I got the lift taken, so it was gonna be a nightmare trying to do it from the bottom. So from top, obviously, as you can see, we lifted it the cab. It's not too hard. You have a couple of bolts. You have 1, 2 right there, and you have 3 here, and 4 right across from it. 4, I believe, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That holds the bed to the chassis, and then you got the wiring for the tail light. And it kind of clips a little bit onto the bed on the bottom, the last rail that goes across. And you have your spare tire rod that goes in, but if I'm not mistaken, it goes through the last rod on the bed. So all we did is we loosened all that up, we lifted it with our picker and took that tire off to be able to slide in and out without any issues. So that being said, we are going to clean out the dust around here before we start popping it open, that way nothing gets inside the tank. And yeah, we're gonna change the fuel pump. Alright, so I'll be right back once we take that one out. Normally you have to hammer it, or you use a special tool to kind of twist it. So we're going to clean up and we're going to tap it, and it should be able to basically turn and should be able to get that fuel pump out. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, so new, old, it does come with the arm. I've seen some fuel pumps that they don't come with them, you have to use the same floater again, but this one came with it. And the way to put it on, you have to remove that little black plastic clip to put the arm on it, and that's pretty much it. And then you just got to slide this back down on the tank. We put a new rubber grommet on it, so it should seal really good. And again, it's just a matter of tapping this thing a little bit, just enough to get it loose, so you can start on twisting it and taking it out. So right now we're gonna put it back on, and I don't think we're missing anything. And then we'll try it once we've hooked everything back up to it. All right, be right back. Arráncalo, Net. All right, so you guys, new fuel pump, everything is on it. She starts right up as soon as you put the ignition key to it. No issues whatsoever. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the bed back on, and yeah, it's fixed. So let's got nothing. And always double check that the gauge does kind of look correct to the amount of fuel that you have in it. So this tank is almost full. On the other pump, on the original pump, it was showing that it was full. By the tank, it's a little bit lower, but it's almost at the full size. So it is showing, I want to say, very accurate to what it should be. So it's working. Now we're gonna put the bed back on, bolt it back down, and another customer satisfied. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.